Here's the breakfast buffet, a little tour. The main things I had this morning were an omelet and chicken pho. I also got to try watermelon juice for the first time, which was quite nice. Hello, good morning. Here's my room. It's pretty basic, but bathroom, king bed, balcony with the city view. The other side of the hotel looks at the beach. Bit of construction noise today. My main goal for the day today was to visit 3 different dental offices that I made appointments with and have an assessment done and get their proposal for what I need to do to fix my teeth. One of the 3 I've already ruled out. The other 2, I'll make a determination of one of them in the morning. In a future video, I'll get into more details on the dental process. Walking in Da Nang is a interesting process. The sidewalks are not in the best of condition, and often there's so many motorcycles and things that you're forced to walk on the street. When we were in Hanoi several years ago, this was much worse. Da Nang is not as busy as Hanoi, so it's a little bit easier to navigate through the mess, even though you can see it looks quite crowded. Here's a shuttle van parked in front of my hotel. You'll notice the skirting around the bottom. I'm told that's to keep rats out so they don't get in and chew the wiring. There's a lot of honking in Da Nang. Mostly it's done just to let people know somebody is coming to an intersection. It's not done aggressively. The Bun Bao driver that you're hearing is a constant in Da Nang. Several of these drivers on motorcycles with a little stove on the back sell steamed buns from their motorcycle. I could walk between my second and third dental office, and in between I stopped for lunch. These spring rolls were excellent, and the stuffed chicken breast wasn't really traditional Vietnamese food, but it was tasty. Here's more footage showing what it's like to walk around the streets in Da Nang. Very often you can't walk on the sidewalks. And here is a photo of the third dental office I visited, which the motorcycles in the entry made it very difficult to access the office. I'm going to finish the video with a walk along the beach. Today there's been lots of time spent walking the sidewalks and among the traffic in Da Nang, which is a little grittier, but it's part of the city and it's important to show. Hopefully this little walk along the beach will end the video on a positive note. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll have another one soon.